Hello, my name is Riya Agarwal. I'm from Team EcoPact and I'm currently studying BDES in MIT WP.
Hello, my name is Vedant Raval. I'm from Team EcoPact and I'm pursuing civil engineering in MIT WPU.
Hello, my name is Rishabh Shah and I'm from Team EcoPact. I'm pursuing mechanical engineering in MIT WPU.
Team EcoPact presents to you the innovative and resourceful concept of our proposition Void, an idea and a vision for a self-sustaining waste management system to create a much-needed space and room for our ecosystem is what fuels this proposition. We deduced our challenge and problem statement in a three-way segment. First, to understand the issue we aim to address, that being improper segregation at the source, inefficiency of the waste collection system, and the lack of target audience for upcycle manufacturers. We choose to address this to inhibit environmental awareness, generate revenue on a product particular platform to boost economy and demand. And finally, who would fall into our impact chain? Individual households, waste collection agencies, and rag pickers, recycling agencies, and upcycle manufacturers. Our study comprised of mainly three domains. That means collecting data and reaching out to waste segregators and collectors to develop a perspective on the ground reality of the workforce. Understanding the intellect and practices of waste disposal by conducting surveys which gave us anticipated and helpful results. Contacting upcycling manufacturers and site visits to recycling factories to understand the market's demand and supply that gave us insights into how plastic waste is transported and recycled. To conclude our research and market study, the issue of improper segregation at the source and an inefficiency of the waste collection system, if treated with the supply of segregated waste from the source and an efficient workforce for waste collection, could fulfill the demand of upcycling manufacturers and the end product consumers.
From the research, we concluded that involving the root cause, the waste generator, into the process is imperative. And we designed a system that exactly does that without the generator having to take any significant efforts. A door-to-door waste collection system is created. The subscribers are provided with disposal toolkit and structured guidelines to dispose their waste effortlessly. The waste is collected by well-trained collection partners who then take it to warehouse where the waste is sorted according to the waste requirements of upcyclers' requirement. The material is supplied to upcyclers, is transformed into a useful product. We create an e-commerce platform that allows the upcyclers as well as the eco-friendly sellers to sell their products. Both the subscribers and the non-subscribers are allowed to buy eco-friendly products from the platform. The subscribers get details about their contribution towards sustainability and credit points too. To test the feasibility of our idea, we conducted a pilot test and we provided 5 families with disposal kits and proper guidelines. We detected hotspots in the house where different kinds of waste is generated. Most organic waste is generated in the kitchen, while nearly all the medical and sanitary waste is generated in the washrooms. The living room and the bedrooms produce most amount of plastic and dry waste. From this, we could conclude that different wastes are generated in different areas and there was equal distribution of the waste. By the end of 1 week, all the families were well adapted to the process and found it to be a very convenient approach for disposal. 4 out of 5 houses said they would like to continue. Now the question is, where does the money come in from? We had 3 sources of income which include 1. The subscribers, 2nd. The e-commerce platform, and 3rd. Supply of material to the upcyclers. From approximate calculation considering subscriber base of 100 households, we can generate a monthly profit of rupees 65,000, which means a profit of rupees 650 per house per month. And this can grow with more user base.
The e-commerce platform is where the waste disposers ultimately become the end consumers and buy eco products from the upcyclers that we have partnered with. To encourage our subscribers towards a zero waste lifestyle, we offer them credit points from which they can redeem discounts on the products. Apart from the subscribers, the general public can also buy these products as well as donate their waste through the app. To wind up the presentation, I would just answer a very simple yet important question. Why choose Void? Void is a simple solution to an everyday problem. It is a coexisting ecosystem for waste disposers, collectors, upcyclers, and end consumers in an eco-friendly trade-off. It is a system where the waste disposers hold a stake in the entire process and are held accountable for the waste that they generate. A system where the upcyclers are given a platform to reach a large audience, to sell their products, and to get raw materials in large recycled bulks through minimal efforts. A system that, when executed successfully with adequate resources, can conserve the waste of Pune city up to 10% in the next 10 years. Lastly, it is a system that looks at waste not as a liability to get rid of, but as an asset, a resource that has the potential to become a useful product. Thank you.